What's going on, everyone? My name is Matthew. I'm a professional video editor, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be going over how to open up your first Adobe Premiere Pro project. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you'll want to do is download Premiere Pro onto your device. You can go to Adobe's website and get yourself a free trial if you're not sure you want to commit just yet. But if you're ready to dive in, you can sign up for an individual plan at $21 a month or get the entire Adobe Cloud for $55 a month. The cloud gives you access to all of Adobe's programs, including the likes of Photoshop and After Effects. Also, check out the Students and Teachers plan if you're in school, which drops the price slightly to $20 a month. Now, let's open up Premiere. You can find the application in your computer's search bar. When it finishes loading, you'll see that it looks something like this. On the left-hand side over here, you can start a new project or open one previously made. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll just go ahead and click on New Project. On this screen, the Premiere default is a series of stock videos that you'll see all through here. On the left-hand side, you can go into Devices like your Downloads and Desktop folder and import any media previously placed. Now, up here in the top left, go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. Here you'll select the location of your Premiere file. Next, where it says Project Name, go ahead and give your file a name. Click on Create on the bottom right, and you're all set to go. Now, as the application opens, you'll see something like this. I have a couple of source boxes at the top, my sequence box at the bottom, and a media box to the left of that. But you can easily adjust the setup of your project, which I'll cover in a future video. And that's it, everyone. You've opened your first project, and you're ready to get editing. If you like this video, please go ahead and click on the like button below. Hit that subscribe button to get even more content like this. And hit that bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.